Hi everyone, Eva Humphries here. I'm a BANT registered nutritionist and today I am back with another delicious and nutritious recipe. Today we are making a turkey stir fry. Stir fries are quick, they're easy, you can really load them up with loads of vegetables, which means more nutrients, but it's actually not the reason I wanted to show you this recipe today. The reason is to do with the sauce. I've got the quickest and easiest stir fry sauce for you that contains no added sugar. So let's get started. How easy was that? Now to make the actual stir fry, put a pan on a high heat, add a splash of rapeseed oil, and it's just a case of adding the ingredients one after the other. That's our stir fry done. I'm gonna go and tuck into this while it's still hot. I hope you enjoyed watching and I'll see you next week for another takeover.